$0 to $10,000. A lot of people think you need money to make money. Now, that might be true, but the real truth is most people stay broke not because they don't have money, but because they don't know how to use what they already have: time, skills, and being consistent. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn $0 to $10,000. Even if you're starting from nothing. Step 1, learn a skill that pays. You don't start with money, you start with a skill. The beauty of today, you can learn everything online for free. YouTube, Google, free courses. The skills that pay the most. I've said it before in my previous videos: copywriting, video editing, social media management, sales, graphic design, AI tools, simple freelance work. Pick one. Spend the next 30 days learning it. You don't need to be world class at it. You just need to be good enough to help someone who's too busy to do it. Step 2, get your first client without paying a cent. Now, use your new skill to get your first client. Go to Facebook groups, local businesses, Instagram pages, small creators, your community, even Gumtree or Marketplace, and send this message: hey, I noticed you're doing X. I can help you with Y. I'm just starting out, so I can do it for a discounted price to prove myself. Eventually, boom, first client, first money, momentum begins. Even if you charge $50, that $50 proves one thing: your skill makes money. Step 3, reinvest that $50. Now you take that $50 and you reinvest it into getting better. Better software, better tools, better training, better equipment. Your skill grows, your value grows, your price grows. Instead of charging $50, now you charge $150, and then $300, and then $500. And believe me, if you are good at it, the right people will pay. Step 4, turn skill into a system. This is where people separate from the pack. Don't just do the work, build a system, templates, repeating workflows, packages, monthly retainers. This is where $0 turns to $1,000 real quick, because now you're not just chasing random jobs, you're building predictable incomes with returning clients. Step number 5, scale to $10,000. Once when you have a system that works, scaling becomes simple. Increase your prices, take on more clients, outsource the small tasks, or package your skill with digital products. Every single person who built wealth online started this way. Not with money, but with a skill, then a client, then a system, and then scale. So my final message: you don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You don't need money to start. You just need to have time, energy, a phone, and the internet. And if you have a computer, even better. And that's enough. Start today, one skill, one client, one step at a time. Get your first job and then grow. This is how you turn $0 to $10,000. If you found this video helpful, would be greatly appreciated if you can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel Mindset and Growth HQ so you don't miss what's coming next. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.